For this DIY, I will need a floral tub, some floral foam, some adhesive diamond wrap, which I will be putting over the tub, scissors, and got 3 bunches of roses. All of this came from Dollar Tree. So the first thing you want to do is try and decorate what we'll be holding everything in. Alright, so now when you finish getting your diamond wrap over your tub, you can go ahead and put your floral foam inside, right in the middle, the center, and start cutting your roses right underneath the leaf. Now, I said originally you needed scissors, but these have wires and mine have wires in them. So I actually had to get wire cutters, and I had to rummage through my husband's tools to try to find them. So I'm going to fill up my sides and like around the front. Is our final piece. That's how you get that cute little look. Hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.